Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this beautiful 1972 Mercedes 280 SE. It's a super cool car for several reasons. First of all, it's a California car from new. 3 owners, purchased originally in Pasadena, California. And second reason it's really cool, it's in great shape. Third reason is it's because it's a Chevy V8 conversion, professionally done, as a 5.7 liter Chevrolet V8, 4-speed automatic transmission, beautiful interior, new carpets, new upholstery, original headliner. Car's in very nice shape. Michelin tires, chrome wheels. Paint is really quite good. There's a small amount of checking on the hood here. Other than that, it's really, really good. Power windows work, wipers work. We'll go for a quick spin. Have my cool South Coast antique license frames on this. They don't go with the car, by the way. Dry as a pin in here, all original. Very nice, super car. Let's get to the business end of it. So when you're driving and operating this car, it feels like a Mercedes, except when you step on the gas. So this is a professionally installed Chevrolet 5.7 liter, came out of a Z28, has all new hoses and belts, fresh tune-up, has an MSD ignition, 4-wheel disc brakes, power disc brakes. Really cool car. The story on this car, it's 3 owners from new. I told you about the first couple owned it, lived in Arcadia, and then that gentleman had the conversion done. Then the gentleman who consigned it, he bought it from the second owner. So it looks like, you know, factory lock stock Mercedes till you turn the key. Fuel injected, fires right up. Our windows work. Go for a quick ride. So it's a 4-speed. So the wipers work. Car drives out really nicely. Out really good. Wow. I'm going to put the windows up so less wind noise. It drives out great. And it sounds just bitchin'. So we're going to turn signals work. Stops nice and straight, firm pedal. So I do notice the speedometer does not work. Has a new sound system, which I'll show you. I have no idea what it is, but the guy says it's good. Air conditioning does not work. But this car absolutely flies. very comfortable, goes down the road nice and straight. There's a lot of work that's been done recently to the car, suspension, cooling, very cool car. Beautiful interior. Headliner's original, but in very nice shape. Super car, I love it. Comes with custom floor mats for a 280 SEL and a custom car cover. So let's review. This is a 1972 Mercedes. It's a V8 conversion, done very well. California title, clean title. It's exempt from smog certification. So let me know. We can ship almost anywhere. Thank you very much.